thinking is going to happen?
I've just left it to Almighty because I feel at least today it's not just an examination for me, it's an examination for my entire constituency. I want to put a stop to all those hatred. I want to put a full stop to probably all that underdevelopment. I want to put a full stop to entire violence that had been all these years. I wish, at least from this day, my small little children of my entire constituency should see a brighter future irrespective of caste, creed, gender, religion. I think along with me, my entire constituency is tired of this. I want smiling youngsters' face. I want them to move on, get good jobs. Girls stand up in their life, get married to good families.
Getting emotional today.
Yeah. I'm on fasting for my whole constituency today. I wish this brings a new sunrise to my constituency.
So temple visit ahead of casting your vote?
No, it's a very unexpected. I've just to come to cast my vote. It got delayed by 2 minutes. And my car unexpectedly stopped in front of the temple. This is a temple where I've just come when I got newly married. That's the reason my vote is in Malkajgiri. There's a house of mine here. So it's just an accidental thing that I landed up into a temple. But if that can really bring prosperity in the entire constituency, I feel I'm blessed.
What would you like to say, madam, to the voters today, to the people of Hyderabad where you are contesting?
I would only tell and request my entire voters of Hyderabad Parliament that please take the one opportunity to change your fate. Let's go forward with harmony and brotherhood. I want every small little child to smile with a decision taken by an elder. The entire children, the Dalits, women and poor's fate is dependent on the voting today. Please give opportunity to me to serve my constituency and serve the nation.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for speaking. So this was Hyderabad Parliamentary Constituency candidate Madhavi Lata. Camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad. Madam, what do you have to say after casting your vote right now?
I only have to tell to all the voters that it is a responsibility of every citizen that they need to go out to vote because the vote brings two changes. One, a new change and development towards themselves and their families. And the other one is it gives an opportunity to change the lives of downtrodden, the lives of Dalits, the lives of poor, and the lives of those every old-aged individuals or people who have been abandoned. So the vote is the most, I would say, precious social work, along with a selfish desire to move on towards the development. So I would say, you may not have money, but if you have vote, then you have contributed to the nation to go towards Vikasat Bharat. And the best thing that all of you have to understand is, सबका साथ में ही विकास है, अलग-अलग जीने में विकास नहीं है.
It's been going so far, 2024. How different is it than 2019?
Every election cannot be the same as what it was 5 years ago. The challenges are different, the issues are different, and of course this is a very important historical parliamentary election in our country. And the issues are not what they were in 2019. It is completely different issues, completely different objective, and people also have a different understanding and what they want for this country as compared to 2019.
So would you say this is a tough fight for you? 1984 से MIM के पास ये सीट है. Do you think that this is going to be a tough fight for you? You said everything has changed.
देखिए इलेक्शन जो होता है ना, चाहे किसी से भी मुकाबला हो, उसको सीरियसली आपको लेना पड़ता है. हम टेक एवरी इलेक्शन सीरियसली, वेदर इट्स अ म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन, पंचायत इलेक्शन, जिला परिषद, असेंबली, पार्लियामेंट. Election is election. You know, you don't have this comfort of even blinking. So you'll have to take your every opponent, whether it is X, Y, Z, whatever it is, and then work hard, which we have done, and which has always helped us in winning this seat. And hopefully around this time also, I'm sure that with the blessings of people and faith in Almighty Allah, we will be successful and will win with the same majority.
No, so I would like to say, I mean, every time I've been telling, this time also, the new emerging waters are coming up. So I do request them, make use of your power of vote. సో ఓటు అన్నది మన హక్కే కాదు, ఓటు వినియోగించుకోవడం మన బాధ్యత అని కూడా నేను చెప్తాను. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు వినియోగించుకోవాలి. అప్పుడే సరైన నాయకులు వస్తారు, సరైన ప్రభుత్వాలు ఏర్పడతాయి, సరైన అభివృద్ధి జరుగుతుంది. That's the reason people like us, we are requesting and appealing, please do come and make use of your vote power.
సరే ఏపీ గురించి పవన్ కళ్యాణ్
నేను
గురించి
ఇంకేం మాట్లాడను. దాట్స్ ఇట్. ఛాన్స్ ఆర్ బ్రైట్.
Please cast your vote. It's a very responsible day for us, all of us, for the citizens of this country. I know it's quite hot, but let's put that little effort, because today is the most crucial day for the next future, for the next 5 years of our life. Please cast your vote and please vote responsibly. Thank you. Thank you. అవును నాకు ఎందుకో ఈసారి చాలా నమ్మకం ఉంది that a lot of people, there'll be a huge turnout, because I think people are also becoming more and more responsible in all areas. So firstly I would like to tell, I'm not politically aligned with any party అండి. నాకు official గా ఏ పార్టీతో సంబంధం లేదు. I'm neutral to all parties.
आज बहुत खुशी की बात है, मैं जब 6:50 पे मैं पहुंचा हूं, वोटर्स भी मेरे साथ बहुत लोग स्वयं आए हैं. एक थोड़ा ईवीएम का प्रॉब्लम था, वो टेक्निकल होगा, वो ह्यूमन एरर होगा, मगर ये प्रजातंत्र का देश है, ऐसे सब कुछ छोटे छोटे इंसिडेंट्स होते रहते हैं. मगर आज मैं वोट डाला हूं हमारे परिवार के साथ, और हमारे आजू बाजू हमारे फ्रेंड्स नियर सभी लोग मेरे साथ आए हैं, सभी लोग वोट डाले हैं. मैं सभी लोगों से यही अनुरोध करता हूं, आज पोलिंग डे है, भारत सरकार हो, इलेक्शन कमीशन हो, पोलिंग डे के दिन हॉलिडे देते हैं, मगर कुछ लोग ये पोलिंग डे को सिर्फ हॉलिडे मानते हैं. ये ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. पोलिंग डालने के बाद हॉलिडे बनाइए. आज जो वातावरण भी अच्छा है, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री बार बार बोलते हैं ये प्रजातंत्र का त्यौहार है, ये फेस्टिवल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. इस फेस्टिवल ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी को मानकर सभी लोग वोट डालना अपना जिम्मेदारी है. डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम जी बार बार बोलते थे वोट इज़ अ फंडामेंटल राइट, मगर वोट डालना भी अपना जिम्मेदारी है, ऐसा अब्दुल कलाम जी बोलते हैं. इसलिए मैं सभी लोगों से प्रार्थना करता हूं, जब भी आपका एरिया में पोलिंग होगा उस दिन पोलिंग डालना चाहिए. देश के लिए, देश के विकास के लिए, देश के रक्षा के लिए, देश का गौरव बढ़ाने के लिए, गरीबों के हित के लिए वोट डालना चाहिए, और अच्छे पार्टी को, अच्छे संसद को जिताना चाहिए. यही मैं सभी लोगों से प्रार्थना करता हूँ.
पोलिंग बूथ पे ईवीएम में दिक्कत हो गया था, उसको लेकर के आपने
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, छोटा विषय है, होते रहता है, मगर अच्छी यह बात है वो पूरा जल्दी ठीक हो गया. वोट डालने का मौका सबको मिला है.
सर बीजेपी का क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है?
अभी वो सर आज बोलना नहीं बोलना मुझे, मगर मेरा ख्याल से मैं 100 मिनट से बाहर आया हूँ. आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में सरकार बनाएंगे, यही मेरा विश्वास है. जनता का भी यही इच्छा है.